Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi guys, I'm Sonaakshi Raaj and I'm super excited to be here today to share all my latest views and tips about the upcoming party season. So are you guys ready to party? I feel a lot of layering is trending. You don't have to be very particular about your each individual outfit. Just throw on styles, throw on layers, and you're good to go. You can just wear a basic kanji with like a cool organza wrap top, and it just makes a perfect silhouette to just go out there and party. So I think layering, teaming up separates is it's what's making the rounds now. Shimmer and bling is something which is very it's a very concentrated, solid sort of a body, and you shouldn't make it too busy and overplay it. Let just that be as your focal point. So I think like a cool short bling dress or like a cool short top should just be teamed with nothing but very classic basics. If it's a top, then just very classic pair of denims or just white trousers, or like a short dress paired with cool hot pumps shoes, and that's it. You don't need much to do with bling. Obviously a classic LBD is a thumbs up, which all we girls have in our wardrobe, and we can reuse it. The best part about it is you can reuse it over the years. I have my basic black short LBD dresses which I've been wearing for over the years, and it looks different each time. You have to just maintain your body basically if you have to reuse it over the years. So yeah, like a classic LBD, I would say a cool boho long, like a maxi, you can do very well as a classic silhouette which you can reuse over the years again. And for like a day do, I think these this short short chiffon or georgette dresses, which have layers and ruffles and which look very summery, springy, and at the same time, I mean, for us it's nothing is spring or autumn, but it's cool for the day, so I think these flowy fluid dresses are also lovely. I would say a pair of denims and a white ganji teamed with just bright lipstick and a cool pair of shoes can make all heads turn. So I think that's my go-to outfit when I have nothing to wear. I just team my pair of jeans with either a black or a white fitted t-shirt or a ganji, and just wear a cool pair of shoes and carry a bag, and I'm sorted. So I think that can make any heads turn. I think the minimal and the least amount of accessorizing would be the right kind of accessorizing. Too much is not too good for me. If you see my fashion shows also on the ramp, I make it very minimalistic because I feel I love garments, I love styling outfits, so for me the least accessory is the best, because I always like the focal point to be on your outfit. So least accessorizing is the best accessorizing for me. Goodbye. It was lovely chatting with you guys and sharing my views and tips. I hope it made some difference. So happy shopping, happy partying, and enjoy the festive season.